Hi guys, so today is another video. I already unboxed everything because I didn't know what came, so I went ahead and opened the box, but I will show you what I got. We're going to start out with a new Fox Racing dirt bike jersey. Fox Racing dirt bike pants. And a brand new chest protector. I also got a new pair of boots. I've never had stuff like this before. I'm trying it out here for 2022. Hopefully it all works out. If y'all haven't watched my channel, I have a 2020 Honda 250 dirt bike. I do trail riding mostly. I want to get into more single track riding. I hope y'all enjoy today's video. I appreciate it. This is Ty's Outdoors Adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notification on.